Do you know the stars and the moon and the sun create more abundance, more growth, more beauty that you could ever imagine? And as every star illuminates in the evening, that shines its bright, luminous, wonderful shine on earth, it creates. As the full moon will create change, will create awarenesses, and as the sun rises every morning, it creates, gives beauty. But what they do here on your earth is give you life. Life on your planet. Life that Mother Gaia holds dear and holds in her hand every living creature, every living plant, every single organism. And as it gives life to the humans, you, it creates. It creates movement. It creates change. And we ask you with love and with absolute devotion to your own planet is to appreciate and love what is being created in front of you. The beauty, the flow of the rivers, the waves on the ocean, the trees that grow before you, the animals that live amongst the forest, that create this life within. Abundance is around you. Beauty is around you. If you were to take a single minute of one thing from Mother Gaia, from nature, just 1 minute to appreciate the beauty or the life that is in front of you, you would then start appreciating every human, everyone that contributes to your planet, as well as yourself. You all contribute in some shape, way on earth to give life, to give presence on your planet. You contribute, all of you. But what we say to you is to really look closely at that beautiful creature, plant, star, because when you look at the beauty of that, you also look at the beauty of yourself, as well as each and every human. You are living in a world of the life force that you all have control of. You all have control of living on this planet. It is just appreciating and acknowledging everything around you.